What's up, MotoFam? It's Max Gerston here with Max Off-Road, and today I want to talk to you about 3 important protection pieces that you can put on your bike to have a better experience off-road. So in the off-road environment, we have rocks, roots, logs, all kinds of different things that are going to be throwing action at us and our bikes. We want to keep our engine and our frame safe. The best way to do that is to have yourself a good skid plate. This skid plate is a great option. It's a high density plastic made by SXS. It protects your water pump, a little bit of your clutch cover area here, your frame rails, and it also comes all the way back to your linkage and protects your linkage as well. So when protecting the bike, we want to protect all the most important parts of the bike. The radiators are really important in keeping the motorcycle cool. That's why I choose to run billet radiator guards. It's just going to help with impacts from the side, impacts from the front. It's going to help protect that since it's such a key element to keeping the bike cool and getting out of there. If we move to the back of the bike here, we want to keep our drivetrain safe. So I have a high density plastic chain guide also. I want to keep that safe with a dirt trick sprocket. You want to keep all of that really strong. Those are all really durable components and they're going to last you a really long time. On the flip side of the wheel set, we got our rear brake. I like to run a shark fin. That's what they call it. They call it a shark fin. It comes down and it protects your rotor from rocks and damage coming up this way. This one actually has an extra little thing to protect the caliper itself as well. That's a great option. In terms of durability for being off-road, you definitely want to have a solid handlebar setup, unbreakable levers that helps for tip overs, and I also like to run hand guards. This bike doesn't have them on it just because I'm kind of in between a few things and I'm actually building this as a race bike, but it will have hand guards on it for my off-road disciplines. What's great about these, it's going to protect your hands from cactuses, branches, etc., etc. It makes some that are stronger and some that are softer, but at the end of the day, as long as you have something protecting your hands, we do a lot to protect our bike, so let's do a little bit more to protect our hands. Alright, MotoFam, thanks for tuning in on important protection pieces for the motorcycle. I am a professional at this. This is all that I do. I spend time out in the mountains, on the trails. If you have any questions for parts or advice, make sure to hit me up at Max Off-Road Training.